Huh? Do you have monsters?
Nah.
Monsters are nasty. That's nasty. Are you a boy? You're not a boy. Only boys do that. There's monsters in there.
A bay.
You're not a boy. You're a girl.
A bay.
You're a girl.
A bay. Girl.
You're a girl. Did your monsters go away? Don't do it. Ew, that's nasty. Ew.
Nasty.
Nasty. I like your hair. You have beach hair.
The beach.
You went to the beach today? Or the splash park beach? Were you playing at the beach?
Huh?
Were you playing at the beach with the kids? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah.
I know.
Oh no, what happened?
Chuck. Chuck.
Suck? Good
Chuck.
job.
Chuck.
Good job. Where's your boots? Where's your boots?
The hour.
Where's your awa? Oh, yep, it's down there.
The day.
You gonna say bye? Daddy's coming. You gonna say bye? Say aloha.
The shoes.
Yeah, your shoes.
Boop.
Boots.
Boop.
Say peace in the Middle East.
The hour.
Yeah. Say peace.
Boop.
Peace. Can you count?
1, 2.
Let me hear you count.
1, 2, 2.
Go. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, say bye. Aloha.